FreshWorks. Sell smarter and close deals faster. I'm Adam Ace Spencer from marketingandsaleshelp.com, and this is FreshWorks CRM Overview. FreshWorks will help you to grow your pipeline, boost conversions, and power productivity with our AI-powered, easy-to-use sales CRM. And as you can see, they are jumping into the AI revolution and showing you first and foremost that they are allowing you to implement it in your strategy, in your efforts to help you with engaging and connecting with your leads, with your customers, and specifically utilizing their Freddy AI solution. Smarter campaigns, superior leads. FreshWorks allows you to efficiently organize and expert prospecting your prospective customers and individuals out there who might need your services. This platform ultimately is going to seamlessly give you access and insight into the important information that you need when you need it. Great conversations, higher conversions. So again, it's that clarity, it's the transparency, it's knowing when did they engage with us, how were they engaged with us, why are they engaged with us. You get all of that here within FreshWorks. And as a result of gaining that additional insight, you can then have stronger sales, which lead to faster growth. And that ultimately will allow you to save more of your time so you can focus more on the important aspects of your business that you need to focus on instead of trying to manage your clients and manage all of the opportunities and deals. FreshWorks will help you with doing so. And that's when we get back around to our friend Freddy AI, who makes working smarter and easier, helping you around the clock, highlighting the best leads and deals, offering insights, and even writing emails. But the beautiful thing with FreshWorks is that they actually have a suite similar to some of the other CRMs that we've explored, where it's FreshSales Suite. Get sales and marketing on the same page. Bring everything together in one complete CRM solution with a single source of truth for each customer's journey. If you guys are new to the channel, you should know, or will know, we are all about the alignment of sales and marketing and wanting to ensure that they are on the same page. So when you can come across a solution like FreshWorks and their FreshSales Suite, well, you got my attention. So let's come up here and check out, hold on, maybe that's where I wanted to go. So as you can see here, CRM unite sales and marketing around the customer with an all-in-one CRM. So with FreshWorks, well, in FreshSales, I should say specifically, you can find more opportunities, attract the best leads, generate 10x more opportunities. And the top features include creating landing pages in minutes where you can monitor and understand your visitor intent. Understand visitor intent where ultimately you know what they are doing. What is their intention on why they did X, Y, and Z? And then you can also chat in real time with website visitors using their AI-powered chat box. And then also tailor email campaigns and generate cost-effective leads for your sales. Going back to what we said a moment ago, it's about transparency and gaining insight into what they are doing, Why are they doing it? Where are they going? What are they gravitating towards? Are there particular ways that they tend to communicate with you more than others? All of this is essential, important information that will help you with being able to improve the customer experience, not only for them, but for the business in general when it comes to all of your customers. That ultimately will lead to, if you act appropriately and accordingly, to increase in revenue. And that's the goal, wanting to satisfy your customers, wanting to get more customers and generate more revenue, generate more money. With FreshSales Suites, you can drive deals to closure faster, improving sales conversions by 50%. And they do it by allowing you to utilizing their dynamic forecasting features, along with, again, AI-based deal insights that are telling you and showing you opportunities or trends or things that you may not have seen otherwise. And you can nurture customer relationships where you can develop nurture campaigns that delight customers, increase repeat purchases by over 50%. And you can do that by designing multi-channel nurture campaigns and target customers via emails, text, WhatsApp, and chat, instead of it just being a generic email campaign that you might get in other platforms. You can also send transactional emails to customers to upsell and cross-sell, and get a breakdown of campaign analytics for a holistic understanding of your market and audience. So when we come and check out the FreshSales pricing, and again, FreshSales is just the CRM. It does not include any of the email marketing features and whatnot. Or what does it? Hold on. Okay, so let's take a look at the FreshSales Suite pricing. As you can see down here, they do give you the option to just select FreshSales or FreshSales Suite, although I think they are pretty much the same. And it doesn't really make sense as to why you would go with just FreshSales and not FreshSales Suite. Of course, if you don't need the additional features and whatnot, but pricing, if we are on FreshSales Suite, you see Pro, annual, we'll keep it on annual for the time being. It's $39 under the Pro plan. Growth plan is $9. Enterprise is $59. If we go to just FreshSales, you can see pricing is the same. Now, what it includes is different. So that is where you want to be mindful of what you need. If you truly do need, the suite, that will include additional features. But let's see how FreshSales Suite Pro versus Growth compares to each other. And of course, you can check out the Enterprise as well as we're looking at these. Actually, I'll go back to this for a moment. Yeah, so pretty much as you can see with the Growth plan, you have everything you need to start to manage your business. Everything you would want. Kanban view for contacts, accounts, and deals. Contact lifecycle stages, built-in chat, email, and phone. Email templates, social media campaigns, multi-channel engagement email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Landing pages. I mean, this has everything you need plus more, to be honest. If we come over to the Pro plan, I would say this is where you're really going to get your money's worth. Because you have access to contact scoring by Freddy AI. This is what I'm really looking forward to be honest. You do get, I think, some generic scoring kind of that's part of the Growth, but it's not utilizing AI that's going to learn and going to see the patterns and trends of other customers who purchase with you, and based off of their actions, it can better fine-tune the contact scoring. So that is huge to me. But along with that, custom sales activities, auto assignment rules, sales sequences, account hierarchy, segmentation based on custom events, time zone based delivery. That's nice. Reply tracking. I mean, a lot of these tools and these features and things that we're getting here are individual tools that you may potentially be paying for separately that you can then cancel and just rely on Freshworks. Because the reply tracking is something that depending on which tool, but even like my Gmail, I'm paying for a small, a separate subscription for something that does my email tracking and all that within Gmail. I won't need that if I'm utilizing Freshworks. Multiple sales pipelines. This I'm also interested in. Sales emails by Freddy AI. Rephrase, expand, and enhance text by Freddy AI. SMS content generator by AI, Freddy AI. Deal insights by Freddy AI. Advanced workflows. Bring your own carrier. Custom reports. Advanced webhooks and offline events. And there's more. Of course, you can actually compare. And then you have the enterprise plan that gives you everything we just mentioned, along with field level permissions, custom modules, forecasting insights by Freddy AI. This I was kind of like, ooh, if I make a move over to Freshworks, this is the main reason I'm kind of considering enterprise. But I also do, I don't really want to waste, quote unquote, waste money. But if I can save money and it's only one feature, it's like I need to ensure I'm getting that, $20 difference a month from this one feature or these few features. So along with that, you also get workflows for custom modules, transactional emails, sandboxes, and audit logs. So I'll be honest, my friends, FreshSales Suite has my attention, and it might have yours as well. If it does, let me know. What are your thoughts? Are there any particular features or solutions that you wish that was provided here that you don't see? Because I feel like they offer everything that's needed and at a fairly reasonable price. I think that's a good starting entry point, and you can start for free as well if you wanted to. If we take a look at the monthly plans, you can see they do go up a little bit, which is expected. So we go all the way. We go up to $47 a month under the Pro plan, $11 a month under the Growth plan, and this is if you pay monthly. Really quickly, just to look at the Fresh Marketer, well, you can see it's $0. It's free for $100 marketing. 100 marketing contacts, and then the Enterprise plan goes up to 500 marketing contacts. That's $15. And you can see all of the different features that are included in both of these plans, especially our buddy Freddy AI over here. And so, yeah, it may be worthwhile to check out, to see if all of the bells and whistles connect and align with your needs. I think you just go the FreshSales Suite route and get access to everything. 500 marketing contacts under this plan. If you need more, you can pay for additional contacts. And so, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below regarding Freshworks. As you can see, they have other solutions in here as well. Or if you decided, hey, I'm actually going to utilize another CRM that was covered in one of our other videos, but maybe you decide, hey, I do want to check out their AI-powered bots to have on your website, or their Fresh service or Fresh desk. Again, when you can utilize one platform or one company to provide a quality service in various areas, oftentimes or frequently they make it so that they are kind of connected, and it's an ecosystem so that they intertwine together and they work together, and it's designed to flow, not have any hiccups and resistance, like you trying to connect another CRM or something completely different with, you know, something over here. Instead, you can just jump in here into Freshworks and put it all to work. And, when you do that, you can let us know how is it going. You can come back and comment on the video because I would love to hear your thoughts. And to be honest and fully transparent, this is a solution that we are considering implementing as our next sales CRM. So wanted to throw that out there, but would love to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts about Freshworks? Comment down below while you're down there. Give the video a nice thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can stay informed on our new videos as we release them each week. And on that note, you already know I gotta keep it moving, but I'll see you in the next video. Peace.